Opening a Monzo bank account in the UK is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Search for Monzo on the App Store or Play Store and download the app. Then open the app and tap on Get Started. Next, enter your mobile phone number and tap on Continue. Choose a strong password and tap Create Account. Provide your full name, date of birth, and address. Next, choose your account type. Monzo offers a free current account, Monzo Plus for £5 a month with additional features like budgeting tools and interest on your balance, and Monzo Premium for £15 per month with travel insurance and phone insurance. Take a photo of your chosen photo ID and follow the app's instructions to verify your identity. You can top up your Monzo account with another bank account, debit card, or cash at the PayPoint location. Choose your card design and wait for it to arrive in the mail, usually within 3 to 5 working days.